In this video, I will show you how to change Sweatcoin into Sweat Wallet. Alright, so the first step is to come and open up your Sweatcoin application right away. And this is my Sweatcoin application. And for this case, as you can see, I have a few dollars over here. And these ones represent the Sweatcoin. Okay, so if I click on balance over there, I can see I have 3.2 Sweatcoins. So this means I have the Sweatcoins and I can turn them into the Sweat Wallet. So to turn them into Sweat Wallet, you will have to connect your Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet. So first of all, come to Google Play Store and then download the Sweat Wallet. If you don't have the Sweat Wallet, make sure you come to Google Play Store and then download the Sweat Wallet. So for this case, as you can see, the Sweat Wallet app has this icon which is a bit pink and white in color. And then after downloading it, open it. And if you don't have an account, make sure that you have an account with Sweat Wallet. As you can see, there are more options over here that you can use to create a Sweat Wallet. So just tap on I have and you don't have an additional activation email, and then just come and read through all this and then download the Sweatcoin application from Google Play Store. So make sure that you update it, and after updating it, you'll be able to connect it onto your Sweat Wallet. And after you reach the minimum you can withdraw, then you'll be able to withdraw it into your Sweat Wallet. So for this case, I don't have enough amount of Sweatcoins to withdraw because I only have 3.2 Sweatcoins and the minimum is around 10 or around 8.2. So that's how to do, and that's how to go all about that, guys. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet in the next video once again.